In this Instagram text animation tutorial series, today we are gonna learn how to create a trending Instagram style typewriting text animation easily inside Adobe After Effects. First, create a new composition by going to Composition, New Composition. Name your composition something like Main, which is a common practice. Then set the resolution to 1920 by 1080, frame rate to 30 fps, and the duration to 3 or 4 seconds, which is perfect for Instagram Reels. Once everything is set, hit OK to confirm your new composition. To type in the composition, first select Type tool and enter your text. Type whatever you prefer. Once done, switch back to the Selection tool. Now let's make some adjustments. Go to the Properties panel where you can change the font. I'm using Franklin Heavy. Set font style to Italic. Choose a white fill color and make sure the stroke is disabled. Now increase the font size as needed. Next, align the text in the center of the composition by clicking the Align Horizontally and Align Vertically icons. By the way, if you would like to access this project file or other exclusive files, you can join me on Patreon. The link in the video description. Let's move on to the final animation by expanding the text layer. Click the Animate icon next to the text and choose Opacity. You'll see Opacity appear under Animator on. Expand Range Selector on as we are going to make some changes. Start by changing the opacity value from 100% to 0%. Once you do this, the text in the composition will disappear. To create the typewriter effect, set start keyframe at 0% on the very first frame of the timeline. Then drag the time indicator to the 1 second mark and change start from 0% to 100%. Another keyframe will be added automatically. This gradually reveals the text from the first character to the last. And that's it. The typewriting animation is complete. Preview it by playing back the timeline. If you look closely, you'll notice that characters at the edge appear slightly earlier or faded, creating a subtle shadow-like effect before the cursor. To fix this, expand advanced settings of the text animator and set smoothness from 100% to 0%. Now each character transitions precisely when it reaches its position in the range selector. That's it, your text now animates like a realistic typewriting effect. Let's give this text a subtle, almost 3D look. To do this, head over to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Drop Shadow effect. Apply it to your text layer in the timeline. Next, you need to make a few adjustments in the Effect Controls panel. Since we'll be working with a black shadow, it's best to change the background color from the composition so the shadow is easier to see. Go to Composition, Composition Settings, change the background color from black to a lighter color. After that, hit OK to confirm the new setting. Now adjust the drop shadow settings. Set opacity to 70%, softness to 8. That should give you a nice clean drop shadow effect. Finally, zoom into your composition so you can clearly observe the shadow. If needed, you can also tweak the settings further to match your preference. And that's it. Our trending Instagram typing text animation is now complete without any complicated or time-consuming steps. If you would like to see more from this text animation series, check out other videos. Links in the video description.